So guys, after a long time I am back with my new video. In this video, I am going to demonstrate my new project which I have made side by side with my self-studies. So without wasting farther time, let's begin to the files. This project is made using React.js framework, React Redux, and many more components from React. You can see my components folder, assets, and there is a separate folder for screens and rest of the things you can see. And this are the technologies I have been used in it. Actually, for this project, the deployment to hosting is automated with GitHub action with the .yml file in the GitHub workflow folder at the top. Don't worry, I will show you in the end of this video. If you want a video for how to automate your project's hosting with CI/CD pipeline, I will make an explained video on that topic. So now let's see the output with npm start. When you visit the web app first time, or you are not logged in, you will be automatically redirected to the login screen. And if you don't log in, you can't access any pages of this web app. Now just log in with Google by clicking on the Login button. A login pop-up will come up and you will be logged in easily. And then after login, you will redirect to the home screen. The home page is paginated using infinite scroll component. On scroll to the end, the new content will be loaded. Now let's go to subscription screen. Here we can see the subscribe channel. Here it's showing explore button because I haven't subscribed to anyone yet. Let's click on video and see what happened. Now we are on watch screen where we can stream the selected video and like comment. You can do everything you do in OG YouTube. You can jump to any videos recommended by category in the right side. Now here is an amazing thing. You can search anything here like I am searching gamer. And here are the related search results displayed. Now let's go to the channel page. You can see about section of any channel by clicking on the more, and here are the details about the channel. And this are the channel videos in the bottom. Just click on the video which you want to watch. Now let's subscribe the channel and go to the subscription screen and see whether it is showing the subscribe channel or not. Boom, it is showing the channel. Just click on it to go to the channel screen. Now let's try to comment on a video. If you comment on a video, it will take 60 seconds to display on the comment section due to the API latency. Your comment will also display on the OG YouTube. You can simply like and dislike any videos. And here you can see the description of the video by clicking on the Show More. And here you can see the videos by any specific channel. Later on, I have to add some more functionality on this project, like on clicking on the video icon at the top, you can upload any videos to your channel, and it will upload it to the YouTube database in real time. Now it's time to see the responsiveness of this web app. As you can see on decreasing the screen size, the contents are adjusting, the thumbnail, icons, and the fonts are decreasing according to the screen size. This is the iPad Pro screen resolution. Let's explore the web app in a phone screen resolution. Let's see the watch screen. The recommended videos are not showing because of the API request limit is reached, but you can stream the video and see the comments. Just ignore it and see the responsiveness. Now just go to the channel screen and see the responsiveness. As you can see, everything is working fine. And if you want to explore this web app, you can directly access it by searching ytclonanil.web.app as shown in the video. If you have any questions or doubt regarding this project, you can feel free to comment. Guys, some new projects are on the way. I am working on it. So till then, be safe and stay curious.